In this video, you'll learn how to block someone on Snapchat using the latest 2026 app update. If someone is bothering you, sending unwanted messages, or you simply no longer want them to contact you, blocking them is the quickest way to protect your privacy and enjoy a better Snapchat experience. To get started, open the Snapchat applications and sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main screen, tap the search icon or search bar at the top and type the username or name of the person you want to block. When their profile appears in the results, tap on it to open their profile page. Now, look at the upper right corner of the screen and tap the three-dot menu icon. A list of options will appear. From this menu, choose Block. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your choice before making any changes. Tap Block once more to confirm, and the person will be blocked immediately. After blocking someone, they won't be able to send you snaps, chat messages, or call you through Snapchat. They also won't be able to view your private stories or interact with your profile in the usual way. This is a useful feature if you want to avoid unwanted conversations or maintain your personal space online. If you ever decide to unblock the person, simply go to Snapchat settings, open the blocked users list, and remove them from the blocked list. Remember that unblocking someone doesn't automatically restore your friendship, so you'll need to add each other again if you wish to reconnect. That's all there is to it. You've successfully blocked someone on Snapchat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple Snapchat tutorials and helpful social media tips.